Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for a tale of resurrection that's got more drama than a telenovela and more twists than a pretzel factory. Today, we're diving into the story of the Mazda MX-81 Aria, a concept car so ahead of its time that it got lost in the timeline, only to resurface 40 years later like a phoenix rising from a really well-organized storage unit. Before we dive into this time-traveling marvel, here's your chance to make history too. Subscribe to the channel. Be the first to hear about futuristic throwbacks, electric dreams, and everything in between. Your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about the MX-81 Aria. Designed by the legendary Marc Deschamps at Bertone, this concept car was built on the chassis of a Mazda 323, a car that was so popular even the DDR couldn't resist. First unveiled at the 1981 Tokyo Motor Show, this wedge-shaped wonder was a showcase of what the future could look like. Or, in 1981 terms, what we imagined the year 2000 would look like. Think big screens, daring designs, and a whole lot of innovation. The MX-81 wasn't just a pretty face, it was a technical trailblazer. It featured a CRT monitor, yes, a full-on tube television, integrated into the dashboard. The steering wheel? Forget about it. It was a rubber ring surrounding that stationary monitor. Steering this thing must have felt like using a rotary phone to send a text message. And the quirks didn't stop there. The front seats could swivel toward the doors, making getting in and out as easy as escaping a boring dinner party. The car also boasted vertically integrated taillights, massive panoramic windows, and pop-up headlights. It was like a rolling art exhibit. Aerodynamically, it was no slouch either, achieving a drag coefficient of 0.29, a remarkable feat for its time. Under the hood, the MX-81 packed a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine capable of producing 130 horsepower and 186 newton-meters of torque. This wasn't just a static showpiece. It could actually move, unlike many concept cars of the era that relied on tiny electric motors just to get on stage. Mazda's commitment to functionality set the MX-81 apart from its contemporaries. The car's journey from obscurity to restoration is equally fascinating. After its debut, it spent decades in limbo, only to be rediscovered in a warehouse in Hiroshima's Fuchizaki district. The timing couldn't have been better, as Mazda was celebrating the 40th anniversary of its MX series, short for Mazda Experimental. The company sent the car to Turin, Italy, for a full restoration, bringing it back to its former glory. So what's next for the MX-81 Aria? Mazda hasn't decided yet, but one thing's for sure, it's a testament to the brand's daring spirit and commitment to pushing boundaries. And there you have it, folks. A car that disappeared for decades but came back to remind us that great design never goes out of style. If you think the MX-81 Aria is cool, wait till you see what we've got lined up next. Subscribe, like, and stick around. The road ahead is only getting more exciting.